Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a common issue that many of us face while using Facebook on our PCs. Those distracting call notifications. Whether you're in the middle of a project or enjoying some downtime, these notifications can be quite intrusive. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to turn off call notifications on Facebook using the latest update. First things first, open Facebook on your PC. It's easy to get started from here. Once you're logged in, look up to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the Messenger icon. Click on it to access your messaging platform. Now you'll see a 3 dots icon at the top right corner of the Messenger window. This is where you can customize your settings. Click on these 3 dots to open the options menu. In this menu, you'll find several settings related to your Messenger experience. Look for the option that says Incoming Call Sounds. This is where you can control whether or not you hear those ringing sounds when someone tries to call you. To disable these sounds, simply toggle the switch next to Incoming Call Sounds. This will silence all call notifications, allowing you to focus on whatever you're doing without interruptions. By following these steps, you can enjoy a more peaceful experience while using Facebook on your PC. No more sudden ringing sounds to disrupt your workflow or relaxation time. It's all about customizing your experience to suit your needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. We're always here to help you navigate the latest updates and features on your favorite platforms. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.